Let's talk a little bit about silverfish and what they like. Did you know that, like many other insects, silverfish are nocturnal? They also prefer dark, moist environments. Plus, they're quick movers with their elongated silver bodies and two long antennas. It's hard to miss them. So, if you're seeing a lot of silverfish, then you must have one of their preferred food sources. They thrive on proteins, carbohydrates, and starchy foods. Did you know that they don't just eat paper but can live off everyday household items like flour, book bindings, pasta, and even cardboard? So, if you have piles of cardboard boxes from those Amazon deliveries, you may be introducing silverfish into your home. They can hide out in the seams of boxes and then set up shop in your place, so it's always best to unbox your deliveries and leave the boxes outside. Understanding the reproductive cycle of silverfish is crucial to controlling infestations. To illustrate, females lay a few eggs daily, which hatch into nymphs resembling smaller adults. Due to their discreet egg-laying habits, often in cracks and crevices, silverfish populations can go unnoticed. From egg to adult, the process takes about 3 to 4 months. However, if conditions are not favorable, the life cycle can last for a few years. So, how do you get rid of silverfish? To effectively prevent silverfish infestations, focus on creating an environment that is less attractive to them by controlling humidity, sealing entry points, maintaining cleanliness, and having less paper products. Let's talk about a few ideas for getting rid of silverfish. First, seal up your home. Prevent silverfish from finding their way in by sealing cracks and crevices around windows, radiators, baseboards, and door frames with caulking. This includes gaps in utility lines and pipes that enter your house. Next, and probably the most important, get rid of cardboard boxes. Since we all order things online in cardboard boxes, we're prone to bringing in silverfish. They can hide in the seams of a box from a warehouse and then set up shop in your home. The best way to prevent this is to collapse all boxes immediately and remove them from your house. Since silverfish can feed on pet food, make sure you keep all pet food items in airtight containers. Living with 4 dogs and a bird, I know firsthand about how important proper food storage is. Personally, I use the simple human container for my dog food. Keeping it in a sealed container is important for keeping all bugs away from it. We'll link in the description to the airtight simple human container that we keep our dog food in. Next, get rid of all old newspapers and magazines. Silverfish are notorious for feeding on cellulose, the main component of paper. These materials also tend to absorb moisture, creating the perfect damp environment they thrive in. You'll likely have a silverfish issue if you have old papers lying around. Decluttering and storing important documents in airtight containers or plastic bins is a simple but powerful way to cut off their food supply and stop the infestation before it starts. Last but not least, clean your lint traps in the laundry room. Feed on fibers like cotton and linens, it's essential to regularly clean out your lint trap and ensure no moisture is around your washer and dryer. It's good practice to leave the lid open on your washer so it can air out. Doing all of this with regular vacuuming can help decrease silverfish. Vacuuming in the cracks and crevices of your couch, moldings, and furniture can help prevent silverfish or remove any silverfish nymphs or eggs before they start an infestation. And the last thing we want to mention is setting up sticky traps in various places around your home can help monitor for silverfish. It's important to place these sticky traps away from any pets. If you do all of these things, you'll greatly reduce the number of silverfish in your home. Good luck!